Turning tweets into cash. Imagine getting paid for the tweets you send out every day. Well, today's video is going to show you just how to do that. We're going to explore the strategies and techniques to turn your Twitter game into a money-making machine. Hey there, social media enthusiasts! Welcome back to your favorite channel, the place where we unravel the secrets to making money online. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's all about turning your tweets into cold, hard cash. That's right, we're diving into the world of monetizing Twitter management. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why Twitter is such a gold mine for monetization. With millions of active users daily, businesses are eager to tap into this massive audience. But how can you leverage your Twitter or X Corp management skills to make a bank? Building your Twitter brand. It all starts with building a brand around your Twitter account. We'll dive into the essential steps to optimize your profile, create engaging content, and grow your followers. A strong personal brand not only attracts more followers but also catches the eye of potential sponsors. Engaging content strategies. Now let's talk content. We'll explore different content strategies that not only keep your followers entertained, but also make your profile irresistible to advertisers. Whether it's witty one-liners, engaging polls, or eye-catching visuals. Growing your follower base. The bigger your audience, the higher your earning potential. We'll share proven techniques to organically grow your follower count. Plus, we'll uncover the secrets of networking on Twitter, connecting with influencers, and boosting your overall visibility. Monetization methods. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, turning those tweets into cash. We'll explore various monetization methods, from sponsored tweets and affiliate marketing to selling your products or services directly. Get ready to witness the transformation of your Twitter or X Corp account into a money-making powerhouse. Twitter or X Corp PayL, where content creation and engagement are key. Here are some common monetization methods. Sponsored tweets. Brands pay you to create and share tweets promoting their products or services. Ensure that sponsored content aligns with your audience to maintain authenticity. Promote products or services using affiliate links in your tweets. Earn a commission for every sale made through the links you share. Sell your products or services. If you have your own products or services, use Twitter to promote and sell them. Directly link to your website or online store for transactions. Twitter or X Corp ads and promotions. Ads desk in X Corp. Odds to increase the visibility of your tweets. Pay to promote your account or specific tweets to a larger audience. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to seek financial support from your followers. Offer exclusive content or perks to those who contribute. Create a subscription-based model for premium content on platforms like Patreon or OnlyFans. Offer special perks or access to a private community for paying subscribers. Brand partnerships and ambassadorships. Collaborate with brands as a long-term ambassador or for specific campaigns. This involves promoting the brand consistently over an extended period. Consulting or freelancing services. Showcase your expertise on Twitter and offer consulting or freelance services. Use the platform to connect with potential clients or employers. Encourage your followers to support you through donations or tips. Platforms like PayPal or Buy Me a Coffee can facilitate this. Sell merchandise. Design and sell branded merchandise related to your content or brand. Use platforms like Teespring or Etsy to set up an online store. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to turning your tweets into cash. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. Share your success stories with us in the comments below. Until next time, keep tweeting and cashing in.